Welcome back to Learning Hub and welcome back to this series. In part 2 of our Propositional Logic series, we focus on semantics, the study of meaning in logic. While syntax tells us how to build expressions, semantic tells us what they mean. That is, how we assign truth values to logical formulas. So let's begin. Semantics is all about meaning. In propositional logic, it means assigning true or T or false F to variables and determining the overall truth value of a formula. This interpretation helps us evaluate whether a statement is true under a given condition. For example, if P is true and Q is false, then the following expression is false because for AND to be true, both sides must be true. Negation simply flips the truth value. If P is true, negation of P is false and vice versa. In AND, the result is true only if both are true. In OR, the result is true if at least one is true. In implication, P implies Q is only false when P is true and Q is false. In all other cases, it's true, even if P is false. Let's evaluate a more complex formula. Given P is true and Q is false and R is true, we break down the expression step by step. The final result is true. So to summarize, semantics assigns meaning to our logic by evaluating formulas based on truth values. This lays the foundation for reasoning, detecting tautologies, and making inferences. Things we'll explore in our future videos. So in the next video, we'll take a closer look at logical connectives and how to build full truth tables for compound statements. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.